Okay, so everything is good. The temperature is good. We replaced the water pump and basically some gaskets, the thermostat, and the gasket. She's all running good. Now we're gonna check the. We're gonna take off the right front wheel. We're gonna check because there was a lot of brake fluid on the right front wheel housing, and then the pedal once in a while goes all the way to the floor. So we're gonna check that. Right.
Lawnmower
Yeah.
over there.
Oh, she's really tough. There you go. Yeah. Actually, go up. We gotta readjust it. Okay, hold on. Go down. Yeah, much better now. Oh, let's see. A lot of brake fluid on this thing. Yeah. Yeah. She's spinning. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh wow, I think the brake hose is collapsing. Yeah. That's what it is. Nope, the rubber brake hose is no good. Look at that.
Where are you seeing it? Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
Well, it's like almost gone.
Look, they never changed them at all. They're so old.
Oh, look at it going into the caliper, huh?
Yeah, and it just drips down right there. There we go. Yeah. Let's see.
Need another metal pan.
Yeah. Needs the upper control arm also.
Before I made it in life, I used to use those
Yeah.
turkey pans you buy in
Oh,
the
the
store.
turkey pans. Yeah, yeah.
Turkey one time.
Right.
Well, it looks like all I got to do is buy that.
Yeah, buy that. For now, yeah.
And
That's crazy, yeah.
Clean up.
How it collapsed. It feels like somebody was trying to cut it or something. I don't know. Or maybe it just kind of went like that by itself.
Looks like there's a point of wear.
Yeah.
Movement,
Right.
and it compromised.
But this is okay.
But that explains why it works.
And the brake pads are pretty much brand new.
Yeah. Well, somebody just saw it and didn't do it.
Yeah.
15 years ago or 10 years
It's
ago.
so easy to replace the brake hose, I mean, yeah.
Well, I'll do a little cleanup on it.
Yeah. Right.
And then can't really. I'm going to trust the PV to work. Because I know if I pull it, then I'll end up,
Yeah.
pardon my pun, compromising the fitting.
Right. But I think you should probably get at least 2 brake hoses, right? One for each side.
Yeah.
You know. I don't know about how the rears look, but
Well, you got to figure that
yeah.
not too much different.
Yeah.
Unless they were not leaking, you know.
Yeah.
Cleanup on this.
Good idea.
Let's see what we're looking at. That's all brick.
Yeah. The shocks look new, the Bilstein.
Yeah, I can still see the writing.
That's awesome.
I'm trying to clean something
With that. Well, the brake cleaner is going to do the job.
Yeah. It looks like. Yeah, it screws right into the bleeder.
Yeah, it just goes right there.
But I think it's long past having a wrench on it.
Well, with this, the upper piece is the best to use, the line wrench.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That one. This one you can use just a regular wrench. It's gonna get it.
I think that one's probably going to be vice grips.
Which one? The top one?
The one on the caliper.
Uh,
I don't know. It looks pretty rounded off to me.
you can probably still get it.
Yeah.
I don't remember which size it is. Maybe 15 or 14. We can try see how it feels on the wrench right now.
You're talking about a fitting wrench.
No, just not the line wrench, just a regular wrench. 14 or 15. Yeah. Yeah, just give it a couple of minutes. Perfect.
Und it's brake time.
Brake time.
Wow.
Yeah, this one.
Brake.
A lot of brake fluid. And this tire doesn't look original. That's weird, yeah. Well, this one came loose. We're not going to be replacing them today since we don't have them, but I'm just kind of pre-loosing them for him so he can take them off next time he gets the brake hoses. Let's look at the back brake hoses. See if they're needed. Yeah, they've seen better days, I should say. Yeah. This is loose, but this was a bitch, guys. Try to turn this and then the brake line broke right there, so we'll need a new brake line for this.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Picked up a little rust sitting in the drawer. There was only so much of it, and